Hello, and thank you for tuning in again. If this is your first time, thank you for coming and checking me out. You're here because you want to have a small business, you're trying to start one, or you already have one and you're looking for some help keeping it on track. So, some of you jumped into business, you know how to sell stuff, you're selling your stuff. That's it. The rest of the paperwork and everything else just kind of it just kind of does itself. So thumbs up. Congratulations either way. And some of you are trying to start your small business and figure out a way to add to your income. And some of you see this bigger corporation type, multi-state, country. You have a very, very big vision. So either way, I'm here for you. Some of these terms, you may know them already. So we're going to go over cash flow statement. This is basically a statement that you create in Excel, or if you're using OpenOffice, you create it in Calculator. And you go ahead and create formulas where your totals are always reflecting what you've put in all the other fields related to numbers. So I'll leave some links in the description to learn how to do that if you don't know. Some of you already know, so great and wonderful. You can always download Excel to your phone, Word, DocuSign. You can download these tools to your phone if this is something that you need. If you're working with a cash flow statement, you may want this to be created different ways where you can use it weekly, monthly, yearly. But this is what basically would go in a cash flow statement. You'd have your investments, you'd have your investment capital, any money coming in, sales, whatever is coming in. So hypothetically, I put $3,000 investments. I put $1,000 investment from management. So that's all of your trademarking, websites, insurance, names, LLC, S Corp, whatever you even decided, like all of that. You've invested your money into this business. So this comes up in your total. So say for instance you came in and you've actually made some sales. So we have it at $12,000 here. So we say, what's going out? What's going out? Cash out. Outflow of cash. Your subcontractors, people, your web designers, whatever services you're paying to design your website, whatever you pay for that, your domain names, all of that. That went out. All of your legal fees, if you paid a lawyer to help you do your LLC, your S Corp, all of that, your accounting, whoever consultants, whoever you use to help you and you paid them, that's money that went out. That is the subcontractors area. Salaries. Now, you may already be paying yourself a salary. You may actually need money from your company. Is that bad? Your salary. Your salaries that you're paying. Your other that's going out. Your marketing, your advertising, your equipment. All of this goes here in the outflow. So then your net will be the inflow minus the outflow. And that's what you're left with. And then you have beginning balance. So if you started out your business and you had a positive cash balance, that's the number that you put here. Most people are starting off here with a zero balance. And they're looking for the closing balance to reflect this inflow minus outflow. So they've made some money. Sometimes those numbers are reversed and they are not saying the right things. You may have put more out than you came in. Nothing may have come in yet. You may have not, but this is what you're beginning with on day one. And so you can always structure this for your management, for all the people inside, for yourself, for your household. You can make these fields say whatever you'd like. You can create this for your house, essentially. This is a budget for your house as well. All it is just a simple budget, but the wording is different. As it pertains to your business, you need to put this. Now, what your opening balance, that's an important word because that means that you've started. You've declared a start for your business. So now it's no longer like the side hustle. Like this is a real thing that you've done. You have a business license somewhere. You have all of your credentials and insurance and all the things that you have. But the great part is this is considered the investment. It could be management investment. This could say whatever. But that means that this is adding to plus even if you didn't have any sales in that field, that number would still be positive for you because you have invested in yourself. Even if you went and got a DBA for under $30, you put $30 right there. What did you invest? Oh, I got some business cards from Vistaprint. Okay, $42. That's what you put there. But you tailor this to work with every day. And you really sit here and have this. It's simple to fill out. It takes 3 or 4 minutes, but once you have this printed in all the different ways that you want it, boom, that's that. No more paperwork on that end. No more hiring someone to come in and tell you to do that because you already knew to do it. So now you know exactly what's coming in, what's going out. They have to fit some type of way. This has to be filled out daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. So have fun with the cash flow statement. I'm going to send those of you, this is a brand new term, I'm going to link a few things in the description box to teach you how to use Excel and to teach you how to use OpenOffice. And then you go and create this for your business. If you had no idea what this was. If you knew what it was, great, wonderful. Don't be mad at, don't whatever, try to shame the people that did not. They didn't know what it was. Now they do. So use this, tailor this. I'm not going to break it all the way down for you and show you exactly what to do. I'm going to give you just this tidbit, which is enough. Because you can Google cash flow statement. I'm going to give you OpenOffice, which is an open source free software. You have Microsoft, Excel, and all that you can download directly to your phone. You can do this from your hand, or you can sit and do it on your computer, whatever you decide to do. But you need to figure out a way to make you a cash flow statement for your business. Tailor it weekly, monthly, yearly, and use it. That's my tidbit for the day. I'm going to... Actually, that's the only real term that I used. I will be coming back. We'll be doing balance sheet, which will be the same. Once you figure out how to do that, wow, you already had a program open. So, balance sheet and income statement, that should come easy to you. So those are the next two that we'll review. I may do it all in one, but I will link the actual definitions in the description box as well as the tutorials where you can go and learn this for free really quick. Again, it may take you a day or two. You figure it out, but this will come in handy and it will help you stay on track and be organized. So the cash flow statement is really important, and I also like to, this is my favorite statement. So happy trails to you, and I hope that you can use this information. I hope that you're Googling and doing and clicking as we speak, and I will be back on here with more info.